Hi and welcome to Fat Belly Mark's shed, where dreams come true.
It all starts off with some 12x12mm mild steel bar cut to length. Then it's off to the CNC machine to cut out the shape of the carbide insert. Drill and tap the insert hole. The bar is then sanded to give a shiny finish. Back to the CNC to engrave my logo, and that's it. I'm going to make the handles from reclaimed oak floorboards and some pieces of Corian. The pieces of Corian and the oak floorboards will be sandwiched together and made into a handle-sized block. I'm cutting the middle piece of Corian to the shape that I want the handles to be, hoping this will make it easier to make all three handles the same shape and size. These circles are going to make up the handle ferrules. A mistake was made here. Corian comes with one sanded surface and one shiny surface. I forgot to sand the shiny surface, and the results of this will become apparent later on in the video. Because these boards come with an expansion slot cut in them, I had to insert another piece of Corian into the block to disguise where the slots had been. It's time to get turning then. I didn't notice the split, I was more interested in the tool bouncing off the Corian. Oh no, disaster! Lucky there's no injuries. The glue just let go from the shiny surface of the Corian. Oh well, let's have another go. That's a bit better, it's in the chuck now, it's a bit safer. I had to put the glove on because my hand was getting bombarded with shards of Corian. Please subscribe and leave your comments below. Nearly down to the template now. That's it, it's looking okay there. That's a hell of a good finish for just sanding. I'm really pleased with that. Now all that's left is for the inserts to be fitted. There they all are, a brace of beautiful wood turning tools. Can't wait to try them out in the next video. Not bad for an old git who hasn't done any wood turning for 45 years. The built-in Corian template worked really well to standardise the size.
If you haven't already done this, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.